How to transfer files from USB to laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can transfer files from your USB drive to your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to this PC. Now, from here you have to open your USB driver, which will be located right here next to your local disk D. So you have to open up your USB drive in your PC. After you open it up, now you have to locate the file that you want to save or that you want to move to your laptop. So you have to copy the file. In order to copy, navigate to the file and right click on it. Then you have to copy. Once you have copied your file, now you can close your USB drive. And in order to move it to your laptop, you have to navigate to the location or you can simply move it in your desktop. So once you're on your desktop, right click on it and then you will have this paste icon here. Click on it. And there you go, your file is now copied from your USB driver to your laptop or PC. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.